However, to verify it from our side, we also conducted a study of the internal temperature of the building and simultaneously the humidity at the so-called height h 1 meter. Which means that at a height of 1 meter above the floor, we checked both these factors and it turned out that the temperature is just under 19 degrees, while the humidity at this height is as much as 60%, which is really too much because up to 50% is the maximum it should be inside this apartment. The first step, of course, kitchen is disinfection with 14% hydrogen peroxide to remove all fungal spores from the walls as well as to eliminate them from the air. Next, Thermoline thermal insulation mortar, which penetrates deeply despite its thin consistency. It will penetrate the damaged areas and crystallize the water in them. On it, we applied a layer of typical lime mortar, which is unfriendly to fungi due to its pH. We also used it as a finishing coat, you could say, because we leveled the areas where the plaster was removed. You deserve one more word of explanation regarding the fact that I mentioned Thermoline as a mortar with thermal insulation properties. It means that after the water crystallizes in the wall, the temperature will rise enough to shift the dew point more to the outside, which will make it much harder for such a wall to absorb moisture.